Hello, everyone. I am Aditi Gupta. I represent CrownStack Technologies here. I'm working there as Head of Human Resource.
Hi, I'm Shreya, and I am from FireEye Technologies. I represent the L&D vertical from the HR department.
Hello, my name is Asif Syed. Currently, I work with ThoughtWorks. I lead the early career hiring for ThoughtWorks India.
So, Parisamvad, a name in itself. I have been a part of Parisamvad 1.0. I was lucky enough to be the panelist, and then Parisamvad 2.0. Again, an evolution which I should say has been incredible. 1 and 2, huge difference, and I wish all the luck to the university to have it in a better and better fashion because, whenever we are perfect, we have to be more perfect. That is how it is.
So I think my experience was fantastic here. Me being myself a Gen Z and hearing such a elaborate discussion on the topic of Gen Z and how the role is going to shape up in the next 5 years was very, very interesting. Specifically, the part wherein we were talking about internships, how they are going to pan out in the next 5 years, how they are going to shape up the entire industry, the onus that we are putting up on these on these children who are just graduating from the colleges. I think the take was very, very interesting. Both the panel discussions were very, very elaborate and very it was a learning experience all in all.
The experience was pretty great, I would say. I see really everybody are into work. Whatever feedback has kind of been shared, everybody are taking it in person. Very serious, and they're working on it. This is my kind of second time for this symposium, and I see a lot of difference from last year to this year in terms of the scale, how the college has grown, the kind of infrastructure, new initiatives, and all of that. Kudos to the entire team who has been behind this.
Hi, I'm Neeraj Sridhar. I am a global HR. I've been working for 22 years now. In my 22 years of career, I have worked with different companies across the globe.
Hey, I'm Narinder Ahluwalia, Executive Vice President of Covaliance India Private Limited. This is a software development company based in Chandigarh.
These kind of events, they bridge the gap that is there between the universities and the organizations. The other thing that I feel that how this gap can be further reduced if you take feedback from the industry leaders. So, for example, what is the requirement that the companies have right now, and what is it that universities can do to bring to reduce that gap? So, for example, let's say, what is the latest technology in the market? I'll give you an example. Let's say there is Snowflake in the market, which is picking up. But if university is not doing any workshop, any program, or any certification on Snowflake, then your people will miss out to the opportunities, right? So I think one thing that you should add is taking feedback from the leaders that how can they do better.
So today, when I came to this sprawling campus, I had a visit over there of Galgotia University. I realized 3 factors which are very important for the industry and the campus alignment and collaboration. The first thing I realized is, unless we come to the campus, we don't really know what are the kind of students, what are the kind of faculties, what are the kind of classroom coaching, teaching that is going on there. Because we base our judgments on what we assume is happening in most universities. But let me tell you, Galgotia's is very different. It is not one of those run-of-the-mill universities. Everything is top-notch over here. The second thing that I realized by coming over here was that unless the industry comes and interacts in kind of panel discussions where they add value to the faculty, they add value to the students, it'll be very difficult for the industry veterans to give back to the society, and especially the academia, all the knowledge that they have gathered during their many years of experiences. The third and the most important thing is, if you want to make India proud, India is now galloping at a very fast pace. It's become the 4th largest economy, and now it is getting up to become the 3rd largest economy. It is these kind of get-togethers. It is the associations between the Galgotias of the country and the industry that will make India the 3rd largest and maybe in the future even better. So my message to all the industry partners, all the corporate friends is, please feel free to reach out to universities like Galgotia's. Spend time with them, become a think tank with them so that you can add tremendous value to their students and also handhold the faculty so that the hard work that they are putting in can get much more results.
Hi everyone, my name is Tripti and I head the campus recruitment for Juniper Networks. Okay, so while we have hired, a lot of Gen Zs, right? The interns that we hire, the NCGs that we hire, like I said, they come with a lot of attitude, good attitude. They're tech savvies. They exactly know what they want. They're very ambitious, and also they know exactly what they want to do. So being transparent with them is also making us a better place to work. They are very clear about what they want, and they really have a great value-driven approach, and also they are very positive about what they're looking at an organization, right? And they're very purpose driven as well. I think that's something, a value that we are looking for them to add in our organization as well. And the improvement area that you're talking about, what are the improvements that they can do? To be honest, there is nothing that I think they should improve. In fact, they are making us learn a lot of things. Because of them, we are trying to do a lot of changes, the cultural changes. They're making us feel a part of an organization, make us feel more energized. They make us feel, yes, we need to come to the workforce, because they also come with a lot of different, kind of a work culture they bring into, and they bring to the table. And I think they just don't want to sit on the table. I think they want to build it. So that enthusiasm is something that would look from Gen Z.
Hi all, I'm the head of HR for Extramarks Education India Private Limited. And we have been, as an organization, Extramarks has been associated with Galgotias for around 7 years or so. And our experience of recruitment with Galgotias has been extremely very well. So on a yearly basis, we have been recruiting around 100 plus students from Galgotias, mainly into software development and non-IT fields. So I must say our software developers who have been recruited from Galgotias, they have been performing exceptionally well. And a lot of them have stayed in our organization for 4+ years. And few of them, obviously, yes, one of them is leading the animations, one of the most important projects of animations at Extramarks. So, yes, also at the same time, Galgotias over the period of 8 years has been evolving, and they have extremely, evolved in a better fashion manner.
Talking about the university, so I've been, in touch with the university for quite some years now. Have been hiring students from here, and I should say the vision of the leaders here is commendable. So we get good quality students here. This university is running with time. They are introducing new things as and when they are needed. So to cut it short, my experience has been fabulous throughout with Galgotias. Thank you.